Hello and welcome to another review. So today we are looking at this product here. It's the UvBang humidifier. Now I literally went ahead and got this on Amazon because my old humidifier broke, and after doing a little bit of research and looking at product reviews, this one here seemed a good option. At the time of this review it cost me £28, so that's a little under $30. The cool thing about this is it's a 3 litre humidifier and it says it lasts up to 20 hours, and it's got 3 different modes on here, so there's 3 different mist modes. It also comes with 2 nozzles and it's also got an auto shut off point. So basically it just came in this box here, and there's 2 different colours on, you can see on here. You can get a white version and a pink, so we went with the white. And then inside of the box you get 2 additional nozzles, and there's 2 of these actually inside. You get the instructions here. I mean, there's not much to it, to be honest. That's it really. And also it comes with a USB cable, which is just this. I've just plugged it in behind. So really straightforward and simple to set this up. So on the instructions here, when I was reading this, it says, yeah, so at the front here we have got the button for the atmosphere light, we've got the handle, we've got the spray points over here, we've got the micro USB slot on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and very quickly set it up, and then we'll let it run and we'll see how well it works. And also what I want to know is, does it leave a lot of water on the floor? Because some of these humidifiers that you go ahead and buy, sorry, let me just lift this off here for a second. Some of these humidifiers that you actually buy, they can leave a lot of water. So this is what it looks like on the inside with your 2 coils going down here. So I'm just going to fill this up with water. So it's over here. So I'm just going to pour my water in. Now there is a max line on the inside for you. So there I'm just going to put in a litre. Now this does hold up to 3 litres, okay? So all we do is, literally this is how simple it is. We put the water in, and I'm going to put that back on there, and then I'm going to plug the micro USB in here at the back, like so. I'm going to try and put it in. That's that bit done, and then we're just going to plug it in, okay? So, and you can see there, the lights come on the top. It's actually turning red, green, blue, okay? So, to turn this on, so to turn the mist element on here, all we do is we press this one time here. At the back, sorry. Where's it gone? Plug that on. Okay, and then we're going to turn it on. Now we're going to see if the mist just comes out of this. Oh, hang on, I've not turned it on properly, sorry. There we go. So at the back here, at the back, if I just turn this around, you can see we've got the button here. So I'm going to hold my finger on that for 3 seconds, and we can see holding your finger on there for 3 seconds activates these different lights going around the top, okay? Now if I want to activate the mist, I'm just going to press it once, and you can see on there we have got dual mist coming out the top. Pretty good. And then if I press it again, it then goes to just the right hand side, and now it's switched over to the left, so it's switching from either side every few seconds, okay? But overall, so far, pretty impressive. And if I press it for a 3rd time, it's stopped, but then it's just going to spray, yeah, there we go, so it's going to spray the mist out intermittently, okay? So pretty cool so far. Now I'm just going to double read these instructions on here for you, so what? So this button here actually doesn't do anything though. All of the buttons, the button on the back is the only one you need to press really, so makes it pretty much straightforward and simple. So what I'll do is, let me turn the light off so you can see the actual light coming on. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And there's some decent mist coming out of that as well. And I also like the fact that it can last for up to 20 hours. It's got this cool colour changing theme going on, but it's pretty, I like the fact that it's an auto shut off, so you can literally set this up, and once it runs out of water it will auto shut off, which is pretty cool. Now let me have a look on here and see if we can see anything else about this. So yeah, 3 modes, easy to control, one piece and top filling, which I've shown you. So you know, it's all pretty straightforward and simple, isn't it? The only drawback to it, if there's any drawback to it, is you would need to go ahead and buy filter refill sticks. Now, having a quick nosy on Amazon, you can get 40 for £8.59, but it already comes with 2 included, and you also get an additional 2 inside of the package as well. So, you know, compared to some of the other ones which are available, you know, on Amazon, because I did spend a bit of time researching it and looking into it, this one, at the time of this review, it's got 186 ratings, and it's coming in at 4. In fact, let me see if I can do this really quickly. I'll turn it around for you. So there you go. So you can see that I actually purchased this a few days ago, and you can see, so this here is the product, $27.99. I'll drop a link to this over on Amazon for you. You can go ahead and check this out. I believe it's available pretty much worldwide, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. So if I come over here, we can see on the description here, so different, you know, 3 spray modes which we've looked at, high capacity, colour shutting night lights, which is pretty cool. Instructions, so literally, like I've shown you, lift off the lid, pour in your water, plug it in, and it's good to go. And there's a video on here showing you this as well. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Not bad for £28. And the fact that, you know, it's a 3 litre humidifier, it's also pretty good. So let's leave it over here. Now what I'm going to do is, I'll literally leave this on here running for a little bit so you can see this, and I'm going to come back to it in a bit, and I want to see how moist it is on the worktop, you know. So is it actually soaking the worktop, or is it, you know, evaporating pretty quickly? Because some of these products that you buy, they just soak everything, don't they? But looking at that, the mist is going up pretty high, so I'm pretty impressed with that. So I'll just leave it on this intermittent one, and we'll come back to it in a little while, and all the time we'll have a look and see. So like at the minute on here, it's clean, there's no wet on here whatsoever. Okay, so we'll come back to it in a little bit. I'll just leave it running, so enjoy the nightlight. The other thing to say as well about this, although it's on in the background and I've tried to keep it as quiet as possible in here for you, there's hardly any noise coming out of this. You can barely hear it just working away in the background. So, you know, it's really quiet as well. So we'll give it another minute or so, and then we'll see if we've got any condensation built up on the worktop, and then we'll just go from there. So enjoy. So I'm just going to come in now and feel my hand, and literally there's no moisture or anything. In fact, I'll turn the light on for you. And you can see there's nothing down there. It's all dry. Really good. Okay, so we'll put this back on here like so. And again, what I'll do is I'll get a paper towel so you can see. So let's just do this, look, paper towel. And there's nothing on there, no wet at all. So pretty impressed with this. So we'll keep it running for a bit. I do like this nightlight, it's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm going to lift it up as well for you. There you go, so you can see just how high that's going. Now I'll probably do another review in a few weeks for you, and I'll probably go ahead and get a humidifier with essential oil, because with this one here, it's just a basic water humidifier. Now you can obviously, if you really wanted to, put essential oils in it, but I wouldn't recommend it with these. So I'm going to do a bit of research on Amazon and see if we can find a decent one which we can use with some essential oils. The problem is, most of these humidifiers, essential oils, are normally small ones, so you need to go for big ones, and it's quite hard to find something. Normally we use a 5 litre humidifier to pretty much try and fill up the whole of the kitchen or the downstairs. So I'll do some research and read some reviews on here and see if I can find some decent 3 or 5 litre humidifiers which are good for essential oils. But overall, I think we'll agree, this humidifier, the fact that it's 3 litres, it's colour changing, I like the fact it's got 3 modes, it's easy to use, as you've seen. We literally just fill it up with water, plug it in, and then decide on the setting that we want, and then it's just working away in the background, it's good to go. So let me see if I can find any more information about this for you on here. So 20-hour runtime with 3 litre large capacity, 3 modes, easy to control, gift. It says on here, easy clean, one piece, and yeah, well, it is literally, you can just take out, lift the top off, and then just clean it in your sink or wherever, basically. Just run a cloth around it. It's pretty good. But when I was looking at these different humidifiers which were available on Amazon, the cheapest one I found in comparison to this was a 3 litre cool mist, and that was £43. So that there is about a little under $50. So this here is a pretty decent humidifier for the price, and we'll literally give it another minute or so, and then we'll see whether we've got any moisture on the top here, and then we will finish the video. And I've got some awesome reviews to share with you in the next couple of days as well. We've got some different products coming in that I've bought, really, and I'm just feeling down here with my hand at this moment in time. I can even barely feel the steam coming down, the moisture coming down. I genuinely can't do. So what we'll do is, we'll turn light on now. I'll show you the worktop. I've got my kitchen towel here, and we'll have a look at this as well. So I'm going to do that for you now. So we'll come over here, turn the light on. So as we can see, there's nothing down here. We'll use the kitchen roll again, wipe it around, and again you can see it's bone dry. Absolutely bone dry. So yeah, that is today's little review for you, an unboxing and unopening. So yeah, overall, very impressed with this. I think I might buy a couple more for the upstairs because obviously it's winter now, so we need to keep you know, as much moisture in the air as possible. But yeah, for 28 quid, I think it's a bargain. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you like the look of this? Do you think it looks pretty good? Overall, it's a slimline unit as well, and the fact that it holds 3 litres, pretty happy with it. So yeah, we'll see you soon.